Golly, scare me to death.
Where's the bead lock part? Under it? What about bolts there? Gotta give it.
Now what are you doing?
Agitating myself.
Putting the valve film in.
Oh, god dang it!
Don't know what that is.
Thread locker.
It keeps the bolts from backing out. Don't want the bolts to back out, then you have flat.
So you're compressing the tire, locking that bead in there. Beautiful. Now I just gotta blow it up.
Better go get it. Golly, scare me to death.